Hello everyone, Vaughn Marie here and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. So I'm introducing the Kat's Essentials Card Builder Dies number 2, and there is a whole series of these Kat Essential Card Builder dies, and so this is number 2. I'm also showing the Beautiful Happy Birthday Sentiment die, and I'm going to use both in my card tutorial today, introducing these two new dies. I will also have probably another video just on this Beautiful Happy Birthday die. So I measured this die here, and the word was 3 1/4 by 2 3/16. And so it's a great size and a great focal point for your A2 size card, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I will have these measurements in my details down below. There's also a shadow, and the shadow was 3 7/16 by 2 9/16. And so I cut out the Kat's Essential Card Builder dies number 2 out of white cardstock. And I love that you get all these pieces. This die kind of reminds me of a postage die because you can put little images or dies in these spots here for a fun card, or you can make it a shaker card. You can separate each square or that middle section I like for the sentiment. So that's why I'm going to use this word die for my sentiment. And so you can easily just make a simple card just like that. I do love white on white, but I am going to change it up just a little bit. And I love that this Beautiful Happy Birthday die has the dot already included for the eye, so you won't lose it. So I'm going to ink blend really quickly with some Peacock Feathers Distress Oxide. I'm going to use Picked Raspberry Distress Oxide as well, and I'm using my glitter blending brushes, and I thought I would just ink blend. You can use pattern paper, glitter paper, whatever your heart desires. I just thought it would be fun to ink blend, and I'm not trying to get it too perfect, but I do want it a little darker around the edges. And then I thought I would ink blend all these squares or rectangles. I guess they are rectangles. And so I thought that would be fun to ink blend those in the Peacock Feathers and Picked Raspberry colors. And this is actually it's a birthday card, but it's actually Christmas and birthday because I do have a lot of crafty friends with December birthdays, and I always want a Christmas birthday card type of card, and I love that we're card makers and we can do that. We can make that happen because I always got frustrated looking in the stores and could never find a holiday with a birthday. So that is what I'm doing today. And even Kat has a birthday in December, so who knows? Maybe this card's going to Kat, but shh, don't tell her. Or hopefully she's not watching this or she'll forget. Maybe she'll forget for her birthday. I actually have a birthday in December as well, so that is why I love that you can do a Christmas birthday card. So yay. So isn't that pretty? So you can just leave it just as is, put some sequins, some enamel dots, and you are done with this card. I just love it. So the Kat's Essential Card Builder dies are going to stay on my desk, and you will see more intros. So go ahead and look through the videos because we are all sharing some intros from the design team, well, us from the KS Creative crew. So go ahead and check those out. Super fun. And I'm just burnishing every piece here because I don't want anything coming up. I want all my pieces in place So I'm going to be doing that, and I am putting just, you know, in a pattern here. But on the bottom, I decided I'm just going to stick with these same colors because next it would be the pink, right? The peacock feathers. But I just wanted to stick with, I mean, not peacock feathers, picked raspberry. But I just wanted to stick with peacock feathers, so that so I'm trying to show you, yeah, it was going to be like that, but I decided to change it so that they're the same. And then I will add my sentiment, so that would look great as is as well. So I can't wait to see what you do with this die, if you use pattern paper or and we are going to have a series of I think of challenges with these dies, so stay tuned for that. And here is the Nutcracker ephemera, so that's how this card becomes Christmas and birthday. So we have the Nutcracker here, her holding the Nutcracker, we have a birthday, we have that cute mouse, and it's so fun. I'm actually going to use some embellishments as well. I will be using the let me see, what am I going to be using? The teal blue solid round confetti sequins, which I thought matched perfectly with this card. So I decided to go with this ballerina from the Nutcracker instead. I think it's really cute for a birthday card. And then I love that you have enough room for that word, happy birthday, beautiful happy birthday sentiment die, and then for that cute little mouse that I think fits perfectly on that rectangle there. So I hope you like the intro of Kat's Essential Card Builder Dies number 2. I did show beautiful happy birthday sentiment die, but I'm going to have another intro on that. And so stay tuned, and here are my sequins. These are my favorite, so I hope you grab them. I will have everything listed down below. You could click on my links, and I'm just using my tool here, and I'm going to add 3 of these sequins, and then I will share a close-up, and that is it. So I hope you check out our new release. We will have some hops tomorrow, so so stay tuned. And here's a close-up. So thank you, and that's using the new dies here.